All right, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. So it has been a while since we've made a video on the Denali EV, but I saw somebody had posted in the EV group for this truck about a front dash cam, and that's exactly what we're going to be installing today. And if you're interested in this same camera, they make one for the front, obviously under the mirror, plug and play. Then they have one for the rear camera as well. And there'll be a link down in the description. It'll save you 8% on the camera itself. And then that'll be directly supporting me and my channel. And also, when you go to the website, they have a lot of different models for the camera. So if your vehicle comes, if your vehicle comes equipped, with like auto dimming and it already has power and stuff, it'll literally be a plug and play process. And then when I saw somebody had posted online about this one, I was like, dude, I can't believe we pay top tier money for a vehicle and it doesn't have like a recording system or some kind of sensor mode like our Tesla Model Y has. So let's jump straight into the unboxing. Now, of course, I have already opened this bad boy. Oh, sorry. It's so hard to do this with one hand and a film. All right, so in the box, you obviously have the camera piece itself, all the accessories, and then you have your QR code for Apple and Android. So let me get this unboxed here, and I'll show you guys. This is such a genius idea. So here is the direct fitment for the dash camera. It's literally going to go right where that one's at, and it has a 4K camera. And then if you come over here on this side, it does have a 64 gig micro SD card as well. All right, and then inside the box labeled accessories, you have your your plug and play dongle. You have this USB. I don't know what this is for yet, but we'll figure it out as we go. And then all I did was, prior to starting the video, I just took a little plastic pick, which it comes with one, and all I did was pop the mirror off. There's 4 little tabs here that pop off, and then I tilted the mirror all the way down, and then I'm going to unlatch this plastic piece here, and then that'll allow us to get this plastic piece completely away and off of the mirror itself. Okay, so here is the factory piece that comes with your truck, and these are the 4 little pieces that I pried off with the little plastic prying tool. And then this piece here has 2 tabs here, and then once you release these 2 tabs, it'll pull down, and then you'll have a bare mirror like this. So we're gonna unplug some things and then literally plug this one up, and guys, this should be maybe a 10-minute install, maybe 15 minutes. Anybody could do this, I promise. Okay, so just to show you guys, the wiring literally goes, it plugs and play. You unplug this one here, you plug it into this dongle side on this one, and then you plug this one in, and then you attach this here, download the app, search for the camera, it'll be on Wi-Fi. And then once that's done, you're literally ready to rock and roll. It's super simple, and plus, the vehicle itself has its own Wi-Fi, so you can use that as a mobile hotspot, etc. But let me get everything fixed up. But I'm like I said, I'm less than 10 minutes in and we're done. This was super easy and gonna be super effective when you're driving down the road in case something happens. It's just, I like to have a note and peace of mind. And then if the truck is on, I believe there's a live stream button so you can watch and look what's happening live with the camera. So dude, this was so simple. I love it. All right, and there you have it. It is done. There's just a small little gap on each side over there. I think it's fine. It's not going to bother me a bit. And then this is obviously for your computer. Take your little SD card out, pop it in here, slide it into your computer, and you can download it if you want to. But if you have the app, you can download it as well. And then here's you guys another look. Look on this side. It is super, like I said, that gap doesn't bother me that much. For one, it's going to serve a purpose of security for the truck. So the lighting's not very good in here right now, but it is a nasty rainy day. But there's you guys a little visual of what it looks like outside the truck. I'll pull the truck outside the garage here in just a minute and let you guys see what it looks like. But we just haven't had no sun here in North Florida. Let's get it pulled outside and I'll show you guys. Okay, that was a super simple install. Like I said, less than 10 minutes. I went and played around with the app. Super simple. You can go and change the camera quality. Obviously, the higher the setting you get to the 4K, the larger the files. But there's an option in there. Once the card is full, it'll take the oldest file and start recording over it. So that's a cool thing. So it's pretty much all you got to do is set it and forget about it. So from the time the truck is on to the time the truck is turned off until the truck completely powers off, it will be recording the video. So as soon as you press the pedal, power kicks on, the camera starts to record. I went into the camera settings itself, changed my camera name, and changed the Wi-Fi password, because the generic password out the gate is like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So make sure you change that. And there's some other settings you can change, like exposure, the camera quality itself. You can easily push a button on the camera itself, snap a photo. You can live stream from your camera. It's super simple. So I think this is an awesome product. I wish the fitment was a little bit better, but I have zero complaints. Otherwise, this was super simple. So if you guys are interested, like I said, in getting one of these cameras for your truck, for any vehicle you have that already has, power to the mirror or auto dimming, something like that, they have a whole catalog of different cameras. So this isn't just specific to the Denali EV. So pass this along to your friends, and I'll have a coupon code down in the description. Just click it, boom, it'll automatically pop up with the coupon. But if it doesn't work, the coupon code is TTorres. Thank you all so much for watching. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, leave this video a big thumbs up. Even if you didn't like today's video, leave it a big thumbs up, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.